Fred Haas Toyota World is the #1 automotive dealer in Texas because we know price sells cars. Plus, it's Fred Haas's goal to save every buyer $2,000. Honesty, integrity, and customer service. That's Fred Haas Toyota World. Here's the vehicle for you.
Nimble, thrifty, and loaded with technology. That's the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. Whether you're zipping through traffic or the backwoods, it'll get you where you're going efficiently, and you'll stay connected all the way. Choose from 3 models: XLE Hybrid, SE Hybrid, and the top-of-the-line Limited Hybrid. This isn't your typical hybrid. With 194 total horsepower, Toyota's Hybrid Synergy Drive isn't just efficient, it's exciting. Add available electronic on-demand all-wheel drive, and your RAV4 Hybrid gets adventurous too. Stay connected wherever you are. Toyota's Entune multimedia infotainment system does everything from pair your phone with Bluetooth to find your way with available GPS. And every RAV4 Hybrid comes with Toyota Safety Sense. That means you get lane departure alert, automatic high beams, dynamic radar cruise control, and more. The pre-collision system even includes pedestrian detection. Good news for any people or bears you encounter along the way. Choose from a variety of colors, options, and genuine Toyota accessories, and build a RAV4 Hybrid that's all yours. The Toyota RAV4 Hybrid. Explore your limits responsibly.
Fred Haas Toyota World has been a hallmark of our community for more than 40 years. And with over 1,200 new and pre-owned vehicles in stock, we're sure to have what you're looking for. Come experience the Fred Haas Toyota World commitment to customer satisfaction. We're easy to find on I-45 North at Louetta, just 2 miles north of 1960.